Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about GoPro not turning on, step-by-step guide for quick fix. Number 1. Perform a hard reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, then release and press it again. This can reset the camera and resolve minor glitches. Number 2. Remove and reinsert battery. Take out the battery, wait a few seconds, then reinsert it and try powering on again. Number 3. Check battery and charger. Ensure the battery is charged and the charger is functioning properly. Number 4. Remove SD card. Sometimes a faulty SD card can prevent the camera from turning on. Remove it and try powering on without it. Thanks for watching.